Today we're going to move a little bit closer to getting this baby started. We have almost everything wired up. We're going to finish up the wiring, get some cables and get the airbox and carbs installed, and get it real close to being able to kick this thing up.
Alright folks, so as we keep adding major components to the bike, we keep saying that it's starting to look like a cafe racer, but now that the carbs and the intake are in, this is really close to the finished product, and Steve and I are getting very excited.
So we're really close, but we've got just a few little things to sort out. We've got to put our throttle cable on there and a few things like that. But I think next week we're going to be looking at starting this baby. Keep your fingers crossed for us.
It also needs gas, and that might be a hindrance with the way things are going.
Man, with the price of gas, I think we're going to have to go steal it or something. You know, I went to a gas station the other day and they just gave me a sniff of it. It was like I was a druggie or something. Give them $10. Let me smell the nozzle. You know, hey, we're real bloody close, eh? And Dan is like gagging to ride this thing. So the weather now has started to settle in a little bit better, warming up. The idea is in a few weeks really to have this girl up and running. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to support, you can get some t-shirts at cafechronicles.ca. Stay safe and we'll see you soon.